Assalamu alaikum dear students. I hope you all are fine and you are doing your homeworks at home and practicing your concepts of mathematics. Today our concept is about increase and decrease, which is on page number 11 of your Smart Mathematics textbook. Today I am going to explain you about increase and decrease. Increase means to increase that number or to move that number forward about 100 or 1000 or 10,000, whatever the numbers are here. Increase means to add the numbers in that main question. Your part 1 here is 1. It means that you have to increase 1 in that number, and our part B is about 10. It means that you have to add number 10 in that question. Increase means to move forward or to step on. I'm going to tell you about, here is a sample question for you about increase. Look at the board now. Our sample question here is increase 1 2 3 7 8 9 by, I'm going to solve here part F from your page number 11. It is 100,000. First write that 100,000 in digits, which is 1, and after 1 we have 5 zeros. Then write answer and make a sum here like this and add it as an increase. When we are going to add, our answer here is 9 8 7 3 and 2 and 2 here. So that's how we solve our increase question. And now I'm going to tell you about decrease. Here is a sample question of decrease as well. In your page number 11, look here. Question number 1 and 2 is about increase. You have to write that all parts step by step like this, which as I show you. After that, solve question number 3 of decrease. Decrease means to make that number less than 1 or less, subtract 1 from that number or subtract 1000 from that number. This is called decrease. Means to make that number less than 1000 or less than 10,000 and whatever the questions you have. Here is our decrease example in front of you. Question number 3, decrease 1 2 5 6 7 8 9 by 10,000. So first we are going to write 10,000 in numbers. First we are going to write 10,000 in number. It is 1, and after that we have 4 zeros. Then make a sum below that question and solve it. When we are going to subtract 0 from 9, it is 9, it is 8 7 6, and we are going to subtract 1 from 5, it is 4. Rest of the numbers remain the same. It means we have to subtract 1 from the 10,000 place. It's very easy questions. Solve that question number 1 2 3 on loose sheets as your today's homework. After that we have a question here, question number 4. A jewelry has tagged the price of the items as follow. A jewelry has tagged the price of the items as followed, but the price change daily. What would today's price of the necklace be if it has increased by rupees 1000? So here are some pictures in front of you, and price tags has already on that pictures. The price of that necklace here is 22,500. The price of that ring is 15,200. The price of that bangle is 72. Price of that bangle is 72 lakh and 50,000. Now I'm going to solve part A. What would today's price of the necklace be if it has increased by rupees 1000? It means that if the necklace price was yesterday 22,500, but its today's price has increased, or it is more than thousand more than this rupees, you have to tell the price of necklace of today. So you have to add 1000 in that price tag of necklace. You can find your answer very easily. What would the new price of the ring if it has decreased by rupees 1000? So here you have to decrease, you have to subtract 1000 from that price tag. You find your answer. If the gold bangle is sold for 10,000 more, for how much is the bangle sold? Now you have to add 10,000 more in that price tag of bangle and you find your answer very easily. So see you in my next video inshallah. Do that questions and find the answers of that question. You have to write the answers of that questions on the book. No need to write them on loose sheets. Just do that 3 questions in your loose sheets. Allah Hafiz. See you in my next video inshallah. Assalamu alaikum students. I hope you all are fine at home. Now start doing our chapter 2, concept number 2. First I am going to explain you about some vocabulary words of chapter 2 addition, which are add, plus, sum, total, altogether, more, addition, and 10,000s, 100,000. These all are the vocabulary words which you can, which by using that vocabulary words you can add your sums. Our today's topic is on page number 17. Our today's topic is on page number 17. It is of question number 2. In question number 2, they had used that some vocabulary words. By using that vocabulary words, you can easily understand that the meaning of add is add. Plus is also means to add that two numbers. Sum means you have to add that two numbers. Total means also we have to add that two numbers. Increase means that increase 1598 by 498 means we have to add that two numbers. And 1000 more than 7596 means that we have to add 1000 in this numbers. These all are the vocabulary words for addition sums. So don't be confused. You have to add all that questions. Just make the sum of that questions on your loose sheets and do them as you had done before. So our today's topic is about doubling of 2 and 3 digit numbers by addition. What is the meaning of double? So the double of a number can be calculated by adding the number to itself. It means if you have given a number and the double means you have to add that number by itself. So this is called the double of a number. Here you have an example of double the number. What is the double of 28? So double of 28 means you have to add 28 two times and you got your answer. So our next concept is about that double the number. Here you have some numbers. In page number 17, question number 1 is double the number. You have to solve that numbers very easily. Make the sum of that numbers. Here I am going to explain you. I am going to write a sample question here for you. You can solve about that sample question from the concept of that sample question. Question number 1 of build up, question number 2 find the double, and also question number 1 from page number 18 as well. Question number 1 from page number 18 as well. This is your next video's homework. It is of 3 questions. You have to solve that 3 questions in your loose sheets. Here I am going to do some sample question for you. Write question on the top, find the double or double the number, whatever the question you have. So write the number here. It is 112. You can add it like this as well. 112 plus 112 is equal to, you can add it like this as well. Add the ones digit in ones place or tens in tens place and 100 in 100 place. But and you can add it like this as well. If it's difficult for you, make a sum here below, add them, and you can find your answer very easily. This is the way to solve the double of number questions. So today's concept is finished now. I hope that you understand it. It's very easy for you as well. Do that 3 questions as today's homework. Allah Hafiz.